Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to easily create a professional-looking CV in Microsoft Word. Start by opening a new blank document in Microsoft Word. Go to the Insert tab and click on Shapes. From the Shape options, choose a rectangular shape. Click and drag to draw it on the page. With the shape selected, go to Shape Format and set the exact size. You can do this by typing in 11.83 inches for the width and 3.24 inches for the height. Next, change the color of the shape to a shade you like. This shape will act as a header for your CV. Adjust its position to sit at the top part of the page. Now go back to Shapes and choose another shape. This time, use a rounded shape to create a unique design element. Set its size to 3.44 inches wide by 2.66 inches tall. Reduce the thickness of the outline if needed, then flip it horizontally. Position it at the top right corner and apply a different color to add contrast. Next, insert a photo. Click Insert, then Pictures, and select the image you want to use. Once inserted, crop it to a circular shape. To do this, select the image, then choose Crop to Shape and pick the circle option. Adjust the photo so it fits well within the header area. Now it's time to add your name. Go to Insert, then Text Box, and draw a box where you want your name to appear. Remove the background color and border of the text box. Type your name, increase the font size, and make it bold so that it stands out. Below your name, add your contact information. Include your phone number, email address, and location. Now go to Shapes and insert a horizontal line. This helps to visually separate different sections of your CV. Copy the text box where you wrote your name, paste it lower on the page, and replace the text with Skills. Change the font size to around 20. Under this heading, list your key skills. Repeat this process to create similar sections for languages and hobbies. Add icons if you like to enhance the design. Next, move to the main part of your CV. Insert another horizontal line to mark the beginning of the content section. Copy the name text box again, paste it, and change the text to Summary. Adjust the font size and type your career summary or professional objective. Now add your work experience. You can write it manually or copy from a previous document. Include your job titles, company names, and the dates you worked there. Also, mention some of the tasks and responsibilities you handled in those roles. After experience, add your education section. Include the name of the institutions, degrees, and graduation years. Once everything is placed, make sure your layout looks balanced and readable. Use consistent fonts and spacing. Align text boxes neatly and keep your design clean. That's it. Thank you for watching.